Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Windows 11 bootable USB using Rufus. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted before proceeding with the next steps. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows desktop and open a web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you prefer. After your browser opens, head to google.com. In Google's search bar, type in Rufus and press enter. From the search results that appear, click on the first official website. This will take you to the Rufus homepage. Under Rufus's website dashboard, you'll prominently see the download section. Click on the download link, then select the version that corresponds to your platform. In most cases, this will be Windows x64. Once you click it, the download will start automatically. Wait for the download to complete, then locate the file in your Downloads folder and run the Rufus application by double-clicking on it. Once the Rufus app opens, you'll see several options on the main interface. First, look at the device section at the top. Click on the device drop-down menu and select your USB device from the list. Make sure you choose the correct USB drive, as this process will erase everything on it. Next, move down to the boot selection section. Click on the drop-down menu here and select disk or ISO image. This tells Rufus that you'll be using an ISO file to create your bootable USB. Now, on the right side next to the boot selection dropdown, you'll see a button labeled Select. Click on this button and a File Explorer window will appear. From here, navigate to the location where you have your Windows 11 ISO file saved. This could be in your Downloads folder or any other location where you've stored it. Once you locate the ISO file containing the Windows 11 operating system, click on it to select it. After selecting the file, click Open at the bottom of the File Explorer window. The ISO file will now be mounted in your Rufus application, and you'll see its name displayed in the boot selection field. At this point, you can leave most of the other settings as they are, since Rufus automatically configures the best options for creating a Windows 11 bootable USB. However, if you want to personalize your USB drive, you can optionally change the volume label field and give your USB drive a custom name. This is completely optional and won't affect the functionality of the bootable USB. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, simply click the Start button at the bottom of the Rufus window. Rufus will now begin the process of creating your bootable USB drive. This involves formatting the USB, copying the Windows 11 installation files, and making it bootable. Depending on the speed of your USB drive in your computer, this process can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, so be patient and let it complete without interruption. You'll see a progress bar showing you how much of the process is finished. And that's it. You've successfully created a Windows 11 bootable USB drive that you can now use to install or repair Windows 11 on any compatible computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.